It can be a horrible feeling when you wake up in the morning with your lungs feeling all congested and then spend ages coughing trying to clear your airways. In this video, I'll show you a daily morning routine that you can use to clear the mucus out of your lungs and throat. Overnight, the mucus in your throat thickens due to dehydration. So start the day with your favourite warm drink to loosen the secretions and start to rehydrate. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll share with you some certain food types that have been linked to increased mucus. Different positions or postures can aid clearance from different parts of your lungs. But for this video, I'm going to recommend that you just sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. To begin, take 3 slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you breathe out through your mouth, have pursed lips. This helps to increase the internal pressure and open up your airways. When performing those first 3 deep breaths, place your hands around the lower ribs so that you can feel the expansion and keep your chest and shoulders relaxed. Next, take a long breath in and then force the air out of your mouth with a huffing action. And don't purse your lips for this technique. And you can repeat this 2 to 3 times. 2 modifications to that technique are to take a full breath in and then a half huff out. Or to take a half breath in and then a long huff out. And this can help to clear mucus from the smaller airways. So after those 3 deep breaths, followed by 2 to 3 huffs, you should then find it easier to cough up those secretions. Before you go, you may be interested to know that certain foods can increase mucus production. Common culprits include wheat, gluten, dairy, and even eggs. If you temporarily stop any of these food types, you can assess the change in your mucus production. This is called an elimination diet and is cheaper and more certain than most food intolerance tests. You should also pay attention to the air around you. If you're breathing in smoke, even from other people's cigarettes, it can inhibit your mucociliary escalator, which helps to clear the mucus out of your lungs, which then leaves mucus trapped and building up in your airways. This can even occur with vaping due to the chemicals in vapes getting down into your airways. I recommend you save this video so you can watch it again whenever you need to, and please do share it with anybody else you know who may find it helpful. If you're watching us here on YouTube, this is the next recommended video.